Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. It's so nice to see you again. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We learn English the fun and easy way. Hi Steve, how are you today?
Hey Maya, I'm great, thank you. And how about you?
I'm doing really well. I just finished a nice walk in the park this morning. The weather was beautiful and I listened to some music on my way here.
That sounds relaxing. You're already introducing today's topic without knowing it.
Oh, really? What is today's topic?
Today we're talking about hobbies and free time, things you like to do when you're not working or studying.
Perfect. That's one of my favorite topics.
All right, let's start simple. A hobby is something you like doing for fun. For example, reading, cooking, dancing, or playing football. So Maya, what are your hobbies?
I love listening to music, reading books, and sometimes I draw.
That's great. You can say, I like listening to music. I enjoy reading books. I love drawing.
So, like, on enjoy, and love. They all mean almost the same, right?
Exactly. But the feeling changes a bit. I like is simple. I enjoy is stronger. And I love is very strong.
Got it. So I can say, I love music or I enjoy cooking.
Perfect. And if you want to say you don't like something, you can say, I don't like or I hate.
Okay, so I love reading, but I hate ironing clothes.
That's a good example. Now let's talk about how often you do your hobbies. We can use adverbs of frequency like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never.
Right, like, I usually read before bed.
Exactly. Or, I sometimes go to the gym. Let's practice. I'll ask, and you answer. How often do you go out with friends?
I usually go out once a week.
And how often do you watch movies?
Oh, that's easy. I watch movies almost every night.
You're a movie fan. Now let's add more words. Here are some common free time activities. Go swimming, play guitar, ride a bike, watch TV, go hiking, play video games, cook dinner, take photos.
Nice. I like taking photos, especially of nature and food.
Then you can say, I enjoy photography.
Photography, that's the noun form, right?
Exactly. Like cook, cooking, swim, swimming, take photos, photography. Let's play a little game. I'll say an activity, and you say if you like it or not. Cooking,
I love cooking.
running,
Hmm, I don't like running.
reading,
I enjoy reading in the evening.
Video games.
Sometimes, but not too much.
Perfect answers. Now let's see a mini scene between two friends talking about their hobbies.
Hey, Steve, what do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I love playing the guitar and listening to jazz music. What about you?
I enjoy cooking and watching movies on weekends.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedies and adventure films.
Cool. We should watch something together one day.
Yes, but only if you cook.
Deal. Sometimes people start new hobbies, like learning an instrument, a language, or a sport. What's a new hobby you'd like to try, Maya?
Hmm, I'd love to learn how to play the piano. It's such a beautiful instrument.
That's a great choice. You can say, I'd like to learn the piano, or I want to start playing piano.
And you, Steve?
I'd like to learn how to surf. It looks exciting and peaceful at the same time.
Nice. Let's make a deal. You teach me guitar, and I'll teach you how to cook.
Perfect trade. Let's review everything we learned today. You can say, I like, I love, I enjoy, I don't like, I hate. Adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, and some common hobbies: cooking, dancing, swimming, playing guitar, taking photos, reading, watching movies.
That's a lot of vocabulary.
Yes, and now the challenge. If you're watching this video, write in the comments 3 sentences. One thing you love doing. One thing you don't like doing. A new hobby you want to start.
Oh, I love that. It's a great way to practice.
Exactly. And remember, practice every day, even with small words.
All right, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you learned something new today.
And remember, every word you practice brings you closer to fluency.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.